Yeah, hello friend. Let's start the understanding the left anti-join in Spark. So I have already done the code because if I will write, then it will take time. So I have created a Spark left anti-join class and I have created main method. Inside main method, I have taken a Spark session. So Spark session.builder.app name. Then also I have given app name. Then master will be local because I am reading a file from the local, and then create then Spark session. So first I have taken employee.csv from the local path, then I am creating a employee dataset, then I have applied the action, and second I have taken other employee1.csv file. This is a second, or we can say the right dataset. Also I have applied the action, show action, then I have applied the left anti-join with two dataset, employee then employee one. So employee is a left, then employee one is a right dataset. So I have applied on employee dot join based on a name. So and also I have I'm passing here left anti join tag. You can see dataset dot. So here is a join tag. Then finally I have applied action, show action, then it will print the output. So first I am serving your .csv files. So this is employee, this is employee one. So employee csv have name, address, salary, Arun, Shubham, okay. There are 6 records, okay, and employee one.csv have a 3 record. So based on name I have applied the condition. So in a left anti-join, when we apply like a condition like name equal to means left dataset dot left dataset have like a name Arun, Shubham, Mukesh, and also right dataset have name Arun, Shubham, Mukesh. Then it will not return these 3 records. It will return not matched record from the left dataset. So it will return only left dataset columns, okay. So I will also show you the output. So I have already run this program. So it's in internal logs. So I will show you the first data set. This is a left data set, this is employee, okay. Then second one, right data set is this name around shown. So because I have applied action, right, employee dot show and employee one dot show, that's why it's print here. Finally I have also applied this action left anti-join dot show. So this will be the output. You can see here match data not printed here, not match data will print here. Kanandan and Raju, you can see 3 records, 3 name will be same in a right and 3 record not match with right dataset. So it will print only left dataset columns. So thanks for watching. Also I will share you I will share the links of my Medium, so you can also see the code and all. You can copy and paste and check by yourself. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel.